Okay, got me another delivery from my favorite people right now. That's Ranger Point Precision. They sent me a new, you can't see that very well, trigger to replace the factory trigger and get rid of all the slop. It's got a good trigger. I mean, it's not bad. But see that take up? That is going to fix that with that. Can't mess with that too much because you can mess it up. But this is my addition to it. Yeah, I got a little bit of buff marks on that, but that's it. This quick release, take down. And when I add this to it, the only thing that I might do is replace this with the next size loop, not the big loop. At that. Otherwise, she's pretty much done. I think I'm going to leave the forend as it is, not put the M-lock on it. It just looks good the way it is in this 3030 setup, 336. Okay. You remember what this looked like. Let's see what it does afterwards. Okay, I got her done. And if you'll remember that trigger before, this is the take up and this is the pull. I'll do it from this side. And there's nothing. I mean, look at this. Remember what that other one did.